Have you ever hired someone for customer service only to find out much later that they were not the right fit? Or maybe you struggled to find the kind of employees that can make your customers feel valued and respected day after day. Here's the reality. Bad hires, especially the ones for customer service, can cost you more than just time and money. They can cost you customers, your reputation, and your business growth. But here's the good news. Hiring the right team for customer service doesn't have to be a gamble. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a customer service team that delivers exceptional results every single time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the key qualities to look for, how to structure your interview process, and how to train and retain employees that will become the backbone of your business. Let's get started. Let's talk about what happens when you hire the wrong people for customer service. Look, we've all been there. An employee looks great on paper, but their attitude or lack of skills turned out to be a total disaster. Bad customer service hires can lead to higher employee turnover, bad customer reviews, and even lost sales. According to studies, approximately 91% of customers will not return to your business and will tell someone else about their negative customer experience. So it's not just one sale you're losing, it's potentially multiple sales down the line. But when you hire the right people, it's just the opposite. You create customer loyalty and a reputation for excellence that your customers notice. Okay, now let's dive into the qualities you should be looking for in your customer service team. You need people who are not just there to show up for a paycheck, but are genuinely invested in helping your customers. Here are 4 key traits to look for. Number 1, communication skills. Your employees are the voice of your business, and they need to communicate clearly and professionally across all channels, whether it's in person, over the phone, or through email. During the interview, pay close attention to how interview candidates express themselves. Are they clear and concise? Do they listen well? Communication skills are non-negotiable for customer service roles. Number 2, empathy. Empathy means being able to put yourself in the customer's shoes and understand their needs and frustrations. Great customer service employees don't just solve problems, they show customers that they genuinely care. When interviewing, ask candidates to describe a time where they helped someone in a difficult situation. This will reveal how they handle stressful situations and whether they prioritize customer satisfaction. Number 3, problem-solving skills. Customer service is all about solving problems in real time. Your hires need to think on their feet and offer creative solutions that leave customers happy. Give candidates hypothetical customer service problems during the interview. How they respond will show you if they can handle real-world challenges. Number 4, positive attitude. A positive attitude is essential. You want people who can remain upbeat and calm, even when dealing with tough customers or high-pressure situations. And remember, attitude is not something you can train for. It's an intrinsic part of a person's character. Look for candidates who naturally bring a positive energy to the interview. They'll bring that same energy to customer interactions. Okay, now that you know what to look for, let's talk about the interview process itself. How do you dig deeper and make sure you're getting the right person? Here's a structure you can follow to make sure you're covering all your bases. Step 1, behavioral interview questions. Start with behavioral interview questions. These are questions that ask the candidate to describe specific experiences they've had in the past. For example, tell me about a time when you had to handle a difficult customer. How did you resolve the issue? Behavioral questions give you a window into how people solve real-world problems. Step 2. Role-playing scenarios. Next, include role-playing scenarios in your interview. This is where you present the candidate with a hypothetical customer service situation and you see how they handle it on the spot. It's the closest thing you can get to seeing how the person would handle the situation before they're actually hired. Step 3. Cultural fit. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of cultural fit. Customer service is not just about solving problems. It's also about fitting into your company's values and culture. Ask questions like, what motivates you to provide great customer service? And listen carefully to how their values align with your business. Once you've hired the right people, your job isn't done. Proper onboarding and training are critical for setting your employees up for success. Start by providing them with all the information they need about your business, your customers, and your expectations. Next, focus on customer service specific training. Give them real-life scenarios to practice. Teach them how to de-escalate tense situations and provide ongoing feedback. Customer service isn't something you can master overnight. It's a skill that needs continuous development. Now, if you're ready to take these strategies even further and build the best customer service team possible, I've created a mini course just for you. The Ultimate Customer Service Blueprint: How to Build, Train, and Retain Your Dream Team. In this course, I'll walk you through everything from interview techniques to advanced training methods that will help you build a team that not only delivers, but excels. For a limited time, we're offering the course for only $29, so be sure to check it out using the link in the description below. Don't miss this opportunity to build a team that can help take your business and your customer service to the next level. Hiring the right customer service employees is one of the best investments you can make in your business. The right team won't just help you retain customers, they'll help you grow your business and build a brand that people come to trust and love. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.